So I did a final test. So our yellow here is our RPM signal coming from the distributor. The blue is at the battery. The red is at coil command. So what I wanted to see here was when the RPM was coming, the signal, if it always lined up. Because as you see here, where is it here? Look at this one. This is after I shut, like, I just tickle the key so that it's into like a forced stall. We see we have good power right at the connector for. Geez, I really wish I didn't have a speech impediment. Anyways, so we have good key on power right at the Phytech. Sitting right out here at the 2 volts is our signal wire. There's our signal here. It's cranking. Here's our signal not cranking, but look, we're still firing off. And along with this, we also hear the fuel pump running. We hear the injectors firing without any command. And that's a beautiful line. See? Double hit, single hit, double hit. We're having spark control problems, but nevertheless, this thing's still firing off even though it's not getting an RPM signal. Case closed. That's it.